In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a watch list and saved search on Xcira's online Ringman platform. From the calendar page, click the inventory button at the top. First, let's make and manage a watch list. Use the search filter panel to configure your search tailored for your business. When you locate the inventory you're looking for, click the watch star and add it to your watch list. Click Notes to add a note about this particular vehicle. To view all the vehicles on your watch list, navigate to the search filter panel. The search bar can also be used to look for inventory based on keywords. While logged into a sale, your watch list is available and located on the far left panel of your bidder interface. To create a saved search, first select the filters from the search filter panel. Locate and click on Save Search at the bottom of the panel. You will be prompted to name that saved search. Be sure to click on the Save button at the bottom corner of the pop-up window. You can use the saved searches by clicking on Saved Searches at the top of the search filter panel. A list of your saved searches will appear. Select the one that you want to use and the inventory list will automatically be filtered based on the criteria of that saved search. You can edit an existing saved search by clicking on Create and Manage Searches at the bottom of this panel. From here, you can edit any saved search by clicking the plus sign at the bottom right corner of this page. You can also add more saved searches. We hope this tutorial helps you use some of the features on online Ringman with confidence.